welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Here I am going to show you a beautiful pattern of colorful dolly or table mat. Actually friends, I have made this project with waste wool. If you have different type of waste wool, then you can try this project. It's a super easy pattern and very beautiful to look. First of all, give me a thumbs up, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. So let's start. So friends, here I am using 3-ply wool and 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's start with 10 chains. Make 10 chains and add your work with first chain. Add it with the first chain. Now round 1, make 3 chains and a puff in hole. Make a puff with the hole. Make 2 chain space and again a puff. Repeat this process 8 times. Make 2 chains and a puff, again 2 chains and a puff. Now I have 8 puffs, and at the end make 2 chains and add your work with first puff. Make a slip stitch in first puff. For round 2, make a slip stitch and reach at the 2 chain space. 3 chain and 1 puff, 2 chain and again 1 puff at the same place. In short, make a leaf pattern. 1 puff, 2 chain and again a 1 puff. Make a 1 puff at the same place. Now make 3 chains, 3 chain space, and at the next chain space make 1 puff, 2 chain and 1 puff again at the same place. Again 3 chain space and repeat the same process to over the round. In this round you will have 16 puff. At the end make 3 chains and add your work with first puff. Make 3 chains and add your work with first puff. Make a slip stitch. Again make a slip stitch at chain space, and for round 3, 3 chains, 1 puff. Remember, don't over the loops. Loops will be in crochet hook. Make 1 more puff at the next chain space. Now over the whole loops. Make a A. You can see the design. Now 3 chains. Again a puff at the same place where you have made the second puff. Don't over the loops. Make 1 more puff at the next chain space. and now over the whole loops. 3 chains and repeat the same process to over the round. At the end of the round, make 3 chains, make a puff at same place, at the last place, and 1 puff at the starting point. Make 3 chains and add your work with the first puff. For round 4, make 3 chains, make a puff at the joining point where you have add your work. Don't make the puff at the chain space. 2 chain and again a puff at the same joining point. 3 chain and again a puff at the next point. Remember, don't make puff at the chain space. Again a leaf pattern, 1 puff, 2 chain and 1 puff at the same place. 1 puff, 2 chains and 1 puff. 3 chains, again a leaf pattern, repeat the same process and over the round. Now at the end, make 3 chains and add your work with the first puff. Now cut the thread. In this way, your mid part is ready. Now add a thread at the 2 chain space. Add the next thread. In this time, you have to make steps in each chain space. Here I am adding red color. You can add the color which you want. Now, first of all, make 3 chains, 1 puff, one chain, make 1 chain, take a long loop and again take a loop from where you have tied your first puff. Look at the video and do the same. You have to make the steps of 8 puff. Again a chain, take a long loop and a puff. Do the same process 8 times. See, now we have 8 puff. Make 1 chain and cut the thread. So the first step is ready. Now add your work at the next chain space In this time, add next color which you want. Here I am adding yellow color, mustard yellow. Now make the second step. Do the same process. 3 chains, make a puff. 1 chain and again a puff. Repeat the same process 8 times and make the second strip. Actually, you only have to change the color in each chain space, but the process of strips will be same. Now the second step is ready. Make a chain and cut the thread and add the next thread in next chain space. Process will be same. Again make a strip of 8 puffs, 3 chains, make a puff, again a chain and a puff. Repeat this process again 8 times. Use 4 different color for 4 strips, and after 4 strips again start with first color. Here I am using red, then yellow, then blue, light blue, and after that I will use pink color. I will again repeat with red color. Repeat this process and complete your round. Now the whole work is ready and there is total 32 strips. Let's start to add these strips. First of all, add the white color. Add white color, add any chain space. Look at the video and add your color. Add your thread. First of all, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and add with first puff. Between the first and second puff, add it with single crochet. Again 5 chain, 5 and add with single crochet. Now make 6 chain for next 4 puff. 6 chains for next 4 puff. 3, 4, 5, 6. Add it. Again 6 chain. Make 5 chains for first 2 puff and 6 chains for next 4 puff. Again 6 chain and add it with the puff. Again 6 chain and add 3, 4, 5, 6. And for the last 2 puffs, make 7 chains. 5 chains, then 6 chains for 4 puffs. Now make 7 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7. 7 chains and add. Again 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and add it at the top. Add with single crochet. Now make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add it at the same place. Again 5 chains. 3, 4, 5. Again add at the same place. Do it one more time. 3, 4, 5 and add at the same place. Now again start with 7 chains. 7 chains for 2 puff. 7 chains and add. Again 7 chains. 7 chains for first 2 puffs. 6 chains for 4 puff and again 5 chains for last 2 puff. Now make 6 chains. 4, 5, 6. Add it. Again 6 chains. And add. Six chains again. Add. And 6 chains one more time. And add it. Now for the last 2 puff, 5 chains. 5 chains and add. Again make 5 chains. And add at the starting point. Add it from where you have started your puff. See, for the first 2 puff 5 chains, next 4 puffs 6 chains and last 2 puff 7 chains. Now make a single crochet in next chain space. Make a single crochet and reach at the next chain space. 2 chain. Now turn your work. Add it with 5 chain with single crochet. Again make 2 chains. Turn your work one more time and now add it with between 2 puffs. This is the second step and add it with your step. Again 2 chains. Turn your work. Add with next 5 chain space. Next 5 chain. 2 chains. Again turn your work and add it with between second and third puff. Now make 3 chains. 1 2 3. Turn your work. Add it with 6 chain. 6 chain of third puff. Again 3 chains. And add it with third puff. 3 chains. One more time. Add with 6 chain of fourth puff. Again 3 chains. Turn your work. And now with fourth puff, add it with fourth puff. For the first 2 puff, add with 2 chains, and the next 4 puff add with 3 chains, and for the last 2 puff add with 4 chain. Again with 3 chains and with 5th puff. Add it with the 5th puff. 3 chains one more time. Add with the 6th puff. And now for the last 2 puffs, make 4 chains and add it. Now make 4 chain. I am increasing the chains for avoid the curling in my work. Again 4 chains. Add with 7th puff. Again 4 chain. Add with last puff chain. 4 chain. And add at the 8th and last puff. Now make the border of 5 chains. 5 chain. Add it with the same place. Again 5 chain, add, and again 5 chain, add. Do the same process 3 times. Chains and add. Now look. This is the final look after adding the 2 strips. Again start with 7 chains. Now make 7 chains and add with the puff. Seven chains and add 7 chains for first 2 puff, 6 chains for next 4 puff, and 5 chains for last 2 puff. Chain, make 6 chain and add it 4 times. Look. And for the last 2 puffs, make 5 chains and add. Process will be same in each strip. again 5 chains, and add it at the starting point. Now again make a single crochet and reach at the third puff. Repeat the same process to add second and third puff strap. Again 2 chains, turn your work, add with the first puff chain. Again 2 chain, turn your work, add with first puff. 2 chain. Remember, for the first 2 puffs add it with 2 chains. For the next 4 puff add with 3 chains, and for the last 2 puff add with 4 chains. Repeat the same process and add each strips. Repeat it and add one by one and complete your work. Now my whole work is completed. This is the time to add last and first strap. Add your last and first strap from the top of your work. Make 4 chains, 2, 3, 4. Add it with the 7 chains of first strap. Now again 4 chain and add with puff. Again 4 chains, add with the second puff, 7 chains of second puff. Four chains and add with second puff. Second puff of last strap. Now for the next 4 puff, make 3 chains and add 3 chains and add with the 6 chain of third puff. This is the 6th chain of third puff. Now again 3 chains and add with third puff of last strap. Repeat it 4 times. 3 chains, add with chain, and again 3 chains, add with puff. Add with chain, again 3 chains and add with the puff. Now for the last 2 puff, make 2 chains, add with the last second puff, again 2 chains, add with the last second puff, 2 chains, add with last chain, and again 2 chain, add with the starting point of the puff. Make a chain and cut your thread. So this is the final look of doily and it looks very beautiful. If you like my work, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.